and it's the battle of the content creators. We have freestyle extraordinaires, Kieran and Theo. They're going head to head with Nasty 2K and Jonathan Morley.
How did we find that?
Yeah, that was even harder than what it looked like.
I'm not impressed with your performance. I think it's beatable.
It's harder than it looks, lads. I reckon you won't get more than 3 at best. 3?
That's
They're still underestimating us.
Come on, man.
Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong.
We're gonna prove them wrong, Marty. Listen, we're gonna cook here. I mean, look, I'm distraught with that one. I think we're probably due that after having overachieved in the first one, but yeah, that was a shocking performance, I think.